Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning low frequency mode on and off on JBL Flip 5 speakers. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Low frequency mode is switched on by default on the JBL Flip 5. To switch low frequency mode off, you need to hold the volume down and the Bluetooth button at the same time. Keep holding them until the light around the power button and the Bluetooth button lights up. If you are playing music, you will hear the difference in the sound. To turn low frequency mode back on, you do the same thing. Hold down the volume down and the Bluetooth buttons at the same time. Keep holding down until the light around the power button and the Bluetooth button lights up. Once this light and the power indicator light goes off, it will be back in low frequency mode. Again, if you are currently playing music, you will hear the difference in the bass when the setting changes. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more JBL speaker tips and tricks.